Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is business conference Instagram template. Here is feed like a post, and here is story like a vertical portrait. And so you see here the templates. You can write anything and detail and put your own photo, change color. And same thing is here, just size is different. And this file is protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SD and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime access. So first open this one. You see in there already extract, image is here, text is here, shape is here, and background color. Gradients overlay. Oh, sorry. Depend your own choice. Okay. And now we need a photo. Extract image here folder and then click here. We need a image. Struggle circle here is like this one. High definition, convert in low resolution, 800. Then drag there. Now right click, create clip mask. You see our image in circle or in shape. Control S for saving. Now you see our story is ready. Live from write anything like a Facebook, Instagram or YouTube channel with Olivia. Okay, business tag. We need this font Laura Blood transparent. Replace it and business tag. You can write anything. Here is conference, business conference, and here is improve your F&B business plan. Here is how to reach more customer. Like anything, you can import your own photo or write anything. Same files are here for a post. Same thing is here. You can change everything like background, shape or image. No. And I say again, password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime access. Take care, Allah Hafiz.